The secret to flawless skin, full beauty routine you can do at home. Imagine waking up every morning with skin that feels smooth, looks radiant, and barely needs makeup. Sounds like a dream, right? Today, I'm sharing a complete beauty routine that you can follow at home. No expensive salon visits, no complicated steps, just pure results. By the end of this video, you'll have every single tip you need to transform your skin and enhance your natural beauty. Great makeup starts with great skin, so we begin with cleansing. Use a gentle face wash that suits your skin type. Foaming cleansers for oily skin, cream cleansers for dry skin. Massage in small circular motions for at least 60 seconds. This helps remove dirt, oil, and dead skin cells. Next is toner. This step balances your skin's pH and prepares it to absorb products better. Look for toners with rose water or witch hazel if you want hydration and glow. After cleansing, your skin is ready to drink in hydration. Apply a lightweight serum, vitamin C for brightening, or hyaluronic acid for deep moisture. Press it into the skin with your fingertips instead of rubbing. Seal it with a moisturizer, even oily skin needs it. And finally, sunscreen. SPF 30 or higher every single day. Yes, even indoors. This one habit alone will keep your skin youthful for years. Now, let's create a flawless canvas. Primer smooths out pores and helps your makeup last all day. Choose a mattifying primer for oily skin and an illuminating one for dry or dull skin. For foundation, less is more. Dot it across your face and blend outwards with a damp beauty sponge. Conceal under the eyes, around the nose, and on any blemishes. Here's where we bring dimension back to the face. A light contour under the cheekbones and jawline creates instant definition. A sweep of blush on the apples of your cheeks adds life and freshness. Highlighter is the magic touch. Apply it to the high points of your face, cheekbones, bridge of the nose, Cupid's bow. Think glow, not glitter. Don't forget brows, they frame the face. Use light strokes to fill in sparse areas, then set with clear gel. Finish with your favorite lip shade, nude for everyday elegance, red for instant glamour. Lock everything in with a setting spray to keep your look fresh all day. And that's it, a complete beauty routine that's easy, affordable, and works for any skin type. Remember, beauty isn't about hiding who you are. It's about enhancing what you already have. If you found this routine helpful, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which tip you're trying first. Your skin's new chapter starts today.